Hey guys, it's March 7th, 2021. It's roughly 9:30 Eastern. I want to give an update on NNDM since there was a quick publication about Kathy Wood's interaction with Bazinga in the Bazinga interview. So let's get right into it. So basically, there was an interview with Kathy Wood. I imagine probably about maybe 6 days ago, and there was some information released on it. And basically, she was giving some insight of their position with Nano Dimension, indicating here that in the ARK ETF for the next generation ETF, which is ARKW, has roughly 5.8 million shares, which equates to about $45.8 million. And then also in the autonomous ETF, which is ARKQ, it has 7.1 million shares of Nano Dimension worth about 55 million point four. So that's roughly about 6.4 million shares total, which is an equal of about 96 million. So they have quite a bit amount of shares to them. As you can see here, this is what ARKW is 50 number 52, and it's the weight of 0.63. So 0.63 would be like the percentage of amount that they hold into it with that particular ETF. And in the ARKQ ETF, it's position 25, which has 1.64% of it is NNDM. So they're holding a good amount. I have not seen them purchase any in the past several weeks because I have been tracking that to see if they have purchased it, and I imagine they would once the space exploration ETF occurs. So we'll just keep an eye on that. The other thing I want to make you guys aware of is that it is the Thursday. They're scheduled to do their Q4 2020 earnings release. It should be out sometime in pre-market before the bell, which is 9:30. So we'll have to see how well that goes, how well it's perceived. I imagine it can go either way because, I mean, they have not really done a lot in terms of sales in those numbers since it's, with the COVID and everything, but they have a lot of money banked up. I believe nearly 1.4 to 1.5 billion. So if anybody's been keeping up with that, that's kind of the whole thing for them to continue advancing their R&D, general expenditures, and then the acquisitions of several companies. I know that they've interviewed about maybe north of 80 companies. And they just did a recent offering, I believe, in February. And close around the 28th for 500 million. So if they need that much amount of money, I imagine they are probably eyeballing several companies, not just one. So hopefully we'll find out some more about that. But the next catalyst will be this Thursday. So keep an eye out for that. And again, for tomorrow, we're hoping for a bullish push up. But we'll see. I mean, it can come here and go back down to there and then come back up. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see how the market affects it during opening bell. All right, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.